Can we cross that bridge?
Yes, but we must be very careful.
I will stay close to you. Mom, this place is beautiful. Yes, sweetheart. Enjoy the view. I want to see the waterfall too.
David, stay close to the children.
Of course, Mom.
The mountain looks calm, but it can change quickly.
Leo, the water is moving so fast. Yes, and the bridge is very high. Then hold the railing tightly.
David, did you hear that?
Yes. Everyone,
Stop! The bridge is moving.
Dad, I slipped.
I have you, Leo.
Please don't let go.
Leo is in danger.
Ah!
Don't rush onto the weak bridge. Then what should I do? Doctor, my grandson is trapped on the bridge.
Stay calm. We will help him.
Please hurry.
Dad, I slipped.
I have you, Leo.
Please don't let go.
Emma, the rope is ready.
Please bring them back safely.
I promise, we will get them out. David, catch the rope! I have it! Tie it around yourself first.
Mom, Leo is still hanging there. I know, sweetheart. Dad is helping him. Please bring him back. I am so scared for Leo. Stay calm. David will not give up. I just want my son safe.
Is the rope strong enough? Yes. It is secure now. Then I can pull Leo up. Yes, Leo, hold my hand.
Dad, can you pull me up? I trust you, Dad.
Daniel, pull with me. Together, one more pull. We are almost there.
Leo, keep looking at me.
Mom, I can see you.
You are almost safe.
I have you.
Dad!
You are safe now.
You scared me so much. I am sorry, Mom. I am just happy you are safe.
Grandma, I will never run on a bridge again.
That is a very good lesson.
Safety must come first.
We cannot cross this bridge again.
Then how will we get back?
We need another way down.
Grandma, is that another path?
Yes, it may lead around the mountain.
Then we should tell everyone.
Does this trail reach the town? Yes, but it will take longer. Longer is fine if it is safe.
Stay close to me, Mia.
I will, Mom.
We will stay together. Grandma, did you hear that?
Yes. Stay close to me.
Something moved over there.
Is someone hiding there?
No, it was only the wind.
That really scared me.
This waterfall is beautiful.
And look, the trail continues.
Maybe this is our safe way home.
The rocks are very slippery.
Walk slowly and watch your steps.
I will be careful.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, Grandma, much better.
Good. We still have a long way to go.
Mia, look at that light.
Do you think it is the town?
There is only one way to find out.
Dad, this isn't the town.
No, we found something else.
But where does this trail go?
How did we miss this lake? The forest hid it from the main road. Then the trail must continue somewhere.
Dr. Daniel, look at this marker.
It points toward the other side of the lake.
Maybe it shows a shortcut. Dad, someone left a boat here.
It looks old, but it may still work.
Can we use it?
Is it safe? Oh, the boat is usable, but we must be careful. Then nobody takes a risk.
Mom, something is floating over there. I can see it. What could it be? It looks like a backpack.
Don't touch it yet.
Why, Grandma?
Does it look dangerous?
No, but we should inspect it carefully. Then let's find out where it came from.
Emma, there is a map inside.
A map from this mountain?
It looks like it.
Dad, this map shows another route.
And it leads somewhere we didn't expect.
Where does it lead?
This route does not lead directly home. It leads through a hidden valley. Then that is our next path.
We should stay together from here.
Yes, no one walks ahead alone.
That is the safest choice.
This trail is much narrower. Stay close. We can do it together. I won't leave your side.
Step where I step.
Okay, Dad.
Good. Take it slowly.
Wow, Mom. Look at the valley. It is beautiful.
I never knew this place existed.
Daniel, do you see that?
Yes, there is an old building down there.
Why would a building be hidden here?
This must be the building we saw. It looks abandoned. Let's see if it can help us.
There is a room inside. And it looks like someone once lived here. Maybe we found what the map was hiding.
Mia, I found an old journal. What does it say? I don't know yet.
Dad, look at this symbol.
That looks like a warning.
A warning about the path ahead? This warning is about the mountain. What does it mean? It means we should not rush ahead.
Mom, what is that? It looks like an old compass. Maybe it can help us.
The needle keeps pointing that way.
That direction matches the journal.
Then the clues are connected.
We should follow the clues carefully.
Only if everyone stays together.
I promise.
Dad, I can carry the compass.
Good. Keep it safe.
I won't lose it. Grandma, the sky is getting dark.
We need to find shelter soon.
Then we should hurry.
Leo, stay beside me. The compass is safe. Good, now keep moving.
The rain is starting. There is shelter ahead. Let's get everyone there. You're safe now, Mia.
I was worried about everyone. We are all together. Doctor, the needle is moving. Oh.
That's strange. It was pointing the other way.
It is pointing toward the mountain.
Does the map explain this?
Not completely.
Then we need to understand it before moving on.
Mia, look at this symbol. It is the same one from the journal.
So the compass and journal belong together.
The rain is finally slowing down. Then our journey can continue. But we must follow the clues carefully.
The compass points up the ridge.
Is that the route from the journal?
I think we found it.
Mom, this hill is steep. Take one step at a time.
Okay. I can do it.
Dad, the compass points inside.
Then this cave must be important.
Should we go in?
Is the entrance safe?
The entrance looks clear.
Then we stay together inside.
Grandma, there is a light inside.
I see it, Mia.
What could be waiting there? Dad, this place is amazing.
Stay close to me.
What is that light?
Daniel, look at that box.
The symbol matches everything we found.
So this was the secret. Grandma, these photos belong to someone. Yes, they must have been very important. Now I understand why the map was hidden.
We came looking for an adventure.
But we found something more important.
We found the value of staying together.
We will never forget this journey. Especially because we stayed together.
Let's go home. If you enjoyed our story, please like and subscribe for more stories. Learn English with us.
See you in the next adventure. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.
Moral of the story: the greatest treasure is not gold or money. It is the love, trust, and courage we share with you, our family. When we stay together, even the most difficult journey becomes possible. Stay together, trust each other, and never give up because family is the greatest treasure. Thanks for watching.